Rafi, good morning. స్టార్ట్ చేసిన టాపిక్ ఏంటి? ఆల్కహాల్స్. ఆల్కహాల్స్లో ప్రిపరేషన్ చెప్పుకుంటున్నాం. ప్రిపరేషన్ అయిపోయింది. దెన్ కెమికల్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ స్టార్ట్ చేసుకున్నాం. వన్ రియాక్షన్ కంప్లీట్ అయింది. కెమికల్ ప్రాపర్టీస్లో రియాక్షన్ విత్ సోడియం మెటల్ కంప్లీట్ అయింది. Now let us go to esterification. What is esterification? Most important reaction. Esterification means esters are formed by the carboxylic acids on reaction with alcohol in the presence of concentrated H2SO4 to give an ester. This is called esterification. Once again, repeat. The carboxylic acids on reaction with alcohols in the presence of concentrated H2SO4, it gives esterification. Ester. This process is called as esterification. Check it out. Esterification. Esterification. ఎలా రాయాలి నోట్స్ లో? కార్బాక్సిలిక్ యాసిడ్స్ ప్లస్ ఆల్కహాల్స్ in the presence of concentrated H2SO4, it gives an ester. The process name is esterification by removal of, I think, water. Sugar. General reaction. Carboxylic acid, amla, R C double bond O, OH. On reaction with alcohol, R OH. In the presence of concentrated H2SO4, it gives R C double bond O, OR by removal of H2O molecule. This one is carboxylic acid, this one is alcohol. Final one is ester. Mechanism. Most important reaction. So, concentrate. An acid or carboxylic acid RCOOH on reaction with H plus is coming from concentrated H2SO4. ఈ H plus ఎక్కడ అటాక్ అవుతుంది చూడండి. ఈ ఆక్సిజన్ పైన అర్థం R C double bond O OH ఇక్కడ oxygen contains here 3 bonds, so the plus charge on the oxygen, so this double bond towards carbon. Last number R C OH, here also OH, the plus charge on now carbon. Now plus charge on the carbon. Now a alcohol molecule attack on this carbon. The structure is COH, OH, here also ROH. By removal of water molecule, by removal of water molecule or C double bond double bond O H and R. Finally, by removal of this H plus, it gives R C double bond O R. This is the ester. Most important reactions in organic chemistry, complete organic chemistry, the most important. Once again, repeat. The carboxylic acids on reaction with alcohols in the presence of concentrated H2SO4, it gives an ester by removal of H2O molecule. Mechanism. RCOOH, that means carboxylic acid. H plus is coming from H2SO4. Oxygen. Because of this, oxygen contains more electron density. ఇక్కడ ఆక్సిజన్ పైన 3 pair of electron loss అయింది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ చార్జ్ వచ్చేసి ఇక్కడ ఉన్న డబుల్ బాండ్ కార్బన్ పై షిఫ్ట్ అవుతున్నప్పుడు ప్లస్ చార్జ్ ఆన్ నౌ కార్బన్. In this step, an alcohol group attack on the carbon because of plus charge. In this step, by the removal of H2O molecule, it gives this structure, and finally, one of the H plus is lost. It gives an ester compound. The ester formation. మీరు ఈ ఆర్బిటల్స్ లో ఒక ఆల్కైల్ గ్రూప్ తీసుకోండి, 5 ఈథైల్ ఆర్బిటల్, దీనికి ఒక ఆల్కైల్ గ్రూప్ తీసుకొని రియాక్షన్ ని రాయండి. మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్, ఈవెన్ మెకానిజం కూడా రాయండి. నెక్స్ట్ రియాక్షన్ oxidation with PCC. PCC bracket రాసుకోవచ్చు. pyridinium chlorochromate. మ్యాటర్ చెప్పొచ్చు. Oxidation of primary alcohols by PCC gives aldehydes. Oxidation of primary alcohols by PCC gives aldehydes. Simple or CH2OH in the presence of PCC undergoes oxidation. Oxidation means either removal of hydrogen or addition of oxygen. ఇక్కడ removal of hydrogen అవుతుంది, addition of oxygen అవుతుంది. Simple. Hydrogen 2 hydrogen తీసేయండి. Sorry. ఇక్కడ ఉన్న హైడ్రోజన్ తీసేయండి, ఇక్కడ ఉన్న హైడ్రోజన్ తీసేయండి, అండ్ ఆక్సిజన్ ఇన్సర్ట్. ఏమన్నా వస్తుంది? ఆర్ సి డబల్ బాండ్ ఓ హెచ్. సింపుల్. ఇక్కడ ఉన్న ఏ హైడ్రోజన్, ఇక్కడ ఉన్న హైడ్రోజన్ తీసినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? హైడ్రోజన్ వెళ్ళినప్పుడు దీనిపైన డబుల్ బాండ్, కార్బన్ ఆక్సిజన్ డబుల్ బాండ్ వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ హైడ్రోజన్ ఆల్రెడీ ఇంకొక హైడ్రోజన్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఆక్సి డబుల్ బాండ్ ఓ హెచ్. దీని ఏమన్నా చూడండి, ప్రైమరీ ఆల్కహాల్స్. This one is carbonyl compounds. In case of, take any example, RCH2OH, CH3CH2OH. This one is ethyl alcohol. This is the example of primary alcohol, ethyl alcohol. undergoes oxidation with the help of PCC. It gives CH3 C double bond O H. It is acetol. Formation of the compound acetol is the next reaction. Next one, fourth one, oxidation with concentrated HNO. Oxidation with concentrated HNO3. HNO3 means nitric acid. Oxidation of primary and secondary alcohols by concentrated HNO3 gives carboxylic acids. Once again, oxidation of primary and secondary alcohols by concentrated HNO3 gives carboxylic acids. Oxidation of primary alcohol or CH2OH on reaction with concentrated HNO3 undergoes oxidation simple. The hydrogen cell को ఏమవుతుందంటే ఆక్సిజన్ సిస్టమ్ అప్పుడు ఏమన్నాడు R C double bond OH. This one is carboxylic acid. Where to the primary alcohols. Primary alcohols. Secondary alcohols R C O CH OH. One is secondary alcohol. On reaction with concentrated HNO3 undergoes oxidation, it also gives carboxylic acid. Both primary and secondary alcohols on reaction with concentrated nitric acid undergoes oxidation. Finally, it gives alcohol. Acids. The acids are carboxylic acids. Next, fifth one, most important one. Fifth one, Oppenau oxidation. Oppenau oxidation. Secondary alcohols with aluminium tertiary butoxide in the presence of acetone gives ketones. Reaction baga confused ఉంటుంది, but most important. Secondary alcohols on reaction with aluminium tertiary butoxide in presence of acetone, it gives ketones. Secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol means the carbon contains two alkyl groups. On reaction with acetone, formula CH3CH3. One is secondary alcohol. One is acetone. Aluminium tertiary, three types. Tertiary butoxide. Secondary alcohols on reaction with aluminium tertiary butoxide, the presence of acetone, it gives a ketone. Simple. A ketone ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసింది ఆల్కహాల్ వస్తుంది. సింపుల్ ఏమో R C R డబల్ బాండ్. ఈ ఫంక్షన్ గ్రూప్ ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది, ఈ ఫంక్షన్ గ్రూప్ ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది. ప్లస్ CH3 C CH3 H OH. This one is మనకు కావాల్సిన కాంపౌండ్. This is the Oppenau oxidation. Once again, repeat. Secondary alcohol on reaction with aluminum propoxide. Propoxide anukunta. Butoxide addition. In the presence of acetone, it gives a ketone. It gives a ketone. This is the phenol oxidation. Last reaction, oxidation with KMnO4 and acid dichromates. Oxidation with KMnO4 and acid dichromates. KMnO4 means potassium permanganate, dichromate formula K2Cr2O7. Not reaction. Oxidation of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols with KMnO4. KMnO4 అయితే basic nature లో ఉంటుంది, bracket లో basic, and K2Cr2O7 in the presence of H2SO4 gives aldehydes, ketones and alkenes respectively. Once again I repeat. Oxidation of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols with KMnO4 and K2Cr2O7 in presence of H2SO4 gives aldehydes, ketones and alkenes respectively. Sure. CH3, CH2, OH, primary alcohols. C contains 2 CH3s. Secondary alcohol. The C contains, carbon contains 3 CH3s. This one is tertiary alcohol. Primary alcohol on reaction with KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7 in presence of H2SO. Same conditions. KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7 in presence of H2SO4. Even tertiary alcohols also. KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7 in presence of H2SO4. Simple. ఎక్కడున్నా దీన్ని ఇలా రాస్తున్నాం, 2 హైడ్రోజన్స్, ఈ హైడ్రోజన్ లాస్ట్ by removal of H2 mean oxidation process means removal of hydrogen or addition of oxygen. ఇక్కడ hydrogens last, so మిగిలిన తర్వాత CH3 C double bond OH, CH3 C double bond OH needs aldehyde. Primary alcohols in oxidation is to form aldehyde. In case of secondary alcohol, secondary alcohols undergoes oxidation by removal of hydrogen. It gives ketone CH3 C double bond O CH3. This one is ketone. CH3 C double bond O CH3. Secondary alcohols undergoes oxidation with KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7. It gives ketone. In case of tertiary alcohols, different. CH3 by removal of H2, CH3 CH3 a double bond form. CH3 CH3 double bond CH2. Alkene. Primary alcohols gives aldehyde. Secondary alcohols are gives ketones, and tertiary alcohols are gives alkenes. This is the alcohol's chemical properties. Next to diols again we next class discuss.